Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I do apologize, this is going to be a little bit more of a different format than we're used to. I did go on a vacation and I did not make enough videos to go out essentially at the cadence they normally do, which is like Wednesday, Saturday, Monday. So I dropped the ball. We're going to be doing a little bit different format here. I am in St. Martin. I got my Carib, not a sponsor. Typically, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the ocean is normally like crystal blue and very calm and quiet, but it's been so freaking windy that I don't know if you can see, there's like nobody in the water swimming, and typically there are. So it's been a great vacation. I'm by myself, so you know, just been hanging out, doing what I want to do. A lot of fun. So I do want to talk about a couple stocks today, and I'm gonna attempt to put them onto the screen later after I edit. But the two stocks are HUSA, which is Houston American Energy Corp, ticker symbol HUSA, and then FCEL, I think that's Fuel Cell Energy. So the first one we will just talk about really quick is Houston American Energy Corp. This company, these two stocks were requested by viewers, and if you guys do have any stocks you may talk about, just let me know. So HUSA, again, looking at their financial data points, they make $870,000, but they lose $160,000. So they're not profitable, but their earnings per share are actually kind of going up like this. So the EPS 2 years ago was negative 0.62, 1 year ago was negative 0.11, and then the trailing 12 is like negative 0.07. So you can tell it's getting better. Sales are, let's see, getting slowly better. Back in 2020, they had 550,000 in sale. 2021 was 1.3 million, and 2022 was 1.6 million. Also, I do want to note that the shares outstanding also are going up, which is also a sign of dilution. Sorry about the camera. So 2020 there was 6.98 million shares. 2021 there was 9.9 million shares, and then 2022 there was 10.3 million shares. So it's not a lot of dilution, but there is some. Just looking at this chart, the stock went from, gosh, 200, a lot more than that, 280 down to $1.60. So again, that's not good, not pretty. Imagine buying that at $200 and now you have a $1 stock. So we are gonna pass on this one. Looking at other metrics, they do have plenty of cash. There's little to no debt. Gross margin is at 26%, which is nice. Shares float is about 10 million. But when you're making 870,000 a year and there's 10 million shares available, that's like, no, I don't even think that's a dollar stock. So we'll pass on this one. If the company does turn around, you know, we can look back, or we can look at this again in like a couple years. I'd give it a couple years. So that was HUSA, and the next one we're going to look at is FCEL, which is Fuel Cell Energy, and this is also a $1 stock, and oh my god, the stock used to be $700. I'm guessing that's on a pre-split adjusted basis, meaning the company continues to dilute. But let's look at these numbers here. Ooh, okay. So they make 123 million a year, but they're losing 110 million. So at the end of the day, they're bringing in, I mean, they're not even bringing in because they're losing money. So that's not good. They're not profitable. There's 450 million shares outstanding. That is also not good. They have quite a bit of cash. The stock is decently shorted, actually, about 20%. Is that right? 18% of the stock is being shorted. So yeah, I don't think I can recommend this or even go further on this one. Their EPS back in, okay, I'll go 2019 EPS was negative 1.8. 2020 was negative 0.42. 2021 was negative 0.31. 2022 was negative 0.38, so that was a slip. And then 2023, which was last year, was negative 0.26. So a little bit of wishy-washy there. 2022 sales was 130 million. 2023 sales were 123 million. So revenues are going down, so that's not good. Yeah, I can't really speak to, I can't really talk more about this one just because it doesn't really fit normal criteria. If you are invested in either of those two companies, I would consider, you know, I mean, I can't give advice, but I would just see what other options are in terms of, you know, saving your opportunities in the future. So those two stocks, I hadn't looked at them before today. I didn't realize they were both going to be $1 stocks. I know FuelCell. I thought that one was actually doing well a while ago, but it's not. So FuelCell also is heavily diluting. I didn't talk about that yet. So FuelCell used to have 193 million shares outstanding in 2019, 294 in 2020. That's 100 million shares added. 2021 they had 366 million shares. 2022 405 million shares, and 2023 450 million shares. So they're not making decisions in the best interest of the retail investors. Yeah, that's gonna cut it for those two stocks there, unfortunately. If you guys made it this far, please consider subscribing, hit the like button. Let me know what you think of this type of content. Or if you want me to walk the beach and talk to you guys, I can totally do that too. Or go down to some of these restaurants are really nice. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Consider hitting the subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. Cheers.